Hello everyone, today let's talk about how you can check what enhancements have already been added for a specific transaction code. Since about 80% of global transactions happen through SAP, there's a good chance, almost 90 to 95%, that if you're on an SA project, some enhancements are already in place. It's important to know what's been implemented since not everything gets properly documented in tools like Solution Manager. So to actually see what's active in your system, you'll need to check it directly yourself. But how do you go about finding out? There's a particular transaction code for this and it's a bit unique. It's ANSP. This tool does an automated node search and helps you spot any custom code. But today we'll use a slightly different method. Let's take ME21N as an example. I'll put in a description like test and execute it. After you run it, the relevant screen will open up. I'm not going to change anything just yet. Let's just pause here for a moment. Here, you'll see the standard purchase order. I already know that some enhancements are in place now. If I change it to a framework order, you'll see that the whole button disappears from the screen. The system will show it is not determined, and the whole button won't be there for framework orders. If I switch back to a standard purchase order, I'll see the same error, but that's expected. The whole button stays visible, which confirms that there's an enhancement. Now I'll click on the back button. Next, when you get the prompt, just select No. After that, look for the Convert to Trace Format option. It may take a bit of time to show up, but it's worth waiting for. This example is on an S/4HANA system. Sometimes the response time depends on your internet speed. S/4HANA itself won't make your connection faster. These days, with so many people working from home, internet speeds can be slower than in the office, especially if others are streaming. Still, it's good that we can work online. Once the trace conversion appears, say it hits 94%, the next steps are pretty straightforward. Now that the results are out, since I know this relates to I'll click on it and pick Customer Code. That's it, I just select Customer Code, and the system will start searching for any custom code. This bit is quite fast. The tool will analyze and pick up all the relevant user exits. Just to remind you, this is an S/4HANA system. You might have heard people say that user exits aren't available in S/4HANA, but enhancements, including user exits, are definitely there. Right now, the system is checking and analyzing the BTEs. Here, you'll get a list of all the enhancements so you can see exactly what's been set up. You'll see the custom enhancements which start with Z. These are the ones to focus on. Just double-click them and you'll get all the details like enhancements for the whole button in purchase orders. If you check the code, you'll find the logic that decides when the whole button appears or is hidden for framework orders. That's the enhancement at work. So stay tuned to this SAP channel for more tips. Happy SAP learning and have a great day.